What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, Coloardo02. My name is Tyler, and I'm out at Kingsley Reservoir today doing some camping. And I just thought I'd make a quick video showing off the Primo Workz tailgate bag. If you've seen my other video on my YouTube channel from about a year ago, this isn't the first time I've worked with Primo Workz. I did reach out to them in sorts of trying to get one of these, and they did give me a pretty good discount on it. So just letting you guys know ahead of time. But this thing is pretty badass. Basically a tailgate bag that sits on your tailgate. But the best part is it comes with this pad, basically, that rest on the tailgate itself to try to protect it from bangs and dings, whatever you might put in your bag here, basically, which I really appreciate. This it also helps keeps the tailgate bag more securely in place so it doesn't slide around as much. And this is a big game changer because I have another tailgate bag, but it's just literally a bag and it hangs on the back, and the buckles are made out of plastic, where these buckles are made out of steel. So I trust these more than the plastic ones, obviously. And putting this on is a breeze, and then taking it off is even easier. Ultimate plan will be to leave this pad on the tailgate at all times, and then ultimately put this in the back of the truck so I can use the trash can in the back of the truck when I'm not camping or doing whatever like I am today, or just store it away in the house and just be ready to go at a minute's notice. So let's go ahead and show you guys how easy this is to put on the tailgate. First up here, I'm gonna open my tailgate and find a position where I want to put it. I always like keeping these kind of things on passenger side or driver's side. You could obviously put it in the middle if you wanted to, but obviously be blocking the camera. Or you can put it on the left side, but I'm gonna put it on the driver's side, back in. So first off, I'm gonna take these and kind of let it drag. So now I gotta figure out where I want to put it. I'm gonna open the tailgate just a little bit so I can kind of reach my hand and get this bottom strap underneath the tailgate until I can grab it from the other side. And be careful here not to pinch your fingers. And I'm going to quickly push this back, adjust the straps quickly push this back, adjust the straps if needed. And once this is in place, the pad's basically secured on the tailgate. Now that my padding's up here, you just take your back from Primo Workz. There's a little hook here, the hook here. These hooks will go over the top of the tailgate, it's attached to the pad backing, which I'll show you guys that. I'm gonna take my straps, throw them over, find an appropriate spot, either one, 2, 3. That's what these are designed for. Hook my little hook in there. Do the second one over here. Now the bag's nice and secured on top. So as I did the back too, I'll let that go over the tailgate. There's 2 more hooks right here, and you can just stick them in any one of these if you like. And that's basically it. That secures the bag up into place on the tailgate. Once you get all your straps in place, as you can see, a little bit of wiggle room in there, but it's not going to go anywhere. And this thing's great. Best part about the Primo Workz tailgate bag, unlike the other tailgate bags I have used in the past, is there's 4 buckles on the bag itself, and the padding itself that you put on before the bag allows for this cool feature. So if I actually want to get into the tailgate and do anything, I can simply undo the bottom 2 hooks from the pad, and then the tailgate opens right up, and you have yourself a perfect little trash can. The Primo Workz bag is made out of like a Coloardo kind of material, so it's definitely durable. The zippers are super nice in this thing. It's got a front pocket here as well, so you can throw whatever you want in it. And my intentions with this is to use it if I have firewood already and it's going to be a wet day, I can carry my firewood in here, ensure that it stays dry until I get to my campsite or wherever I'm going. So I have dry wood to get my fire going at all times. And ultimately, once I get the site, I'm going to use it as a trash bag. With how easy this comes on and goes off, super convenient, and I really like this product, and I think it makes the truck look cool too, which is always a good perk. Cool truck bonus points are always a good thing with any kind of product. So yeah, that's the whole install of this bag right here. I really like this. I've already used it once out camping and it did perform just fine. I actually drove to the campsite with this on the back of the truck and it handled no issues, stayed in place, never flopped, never hurt it, all that good stuff. But yeah, Primo Workz makes really good products. I'll leave a link to my other video of the armrest, which is a must-have in my opinion if you do any kind of long road traveling or do a lot of driving or off-road or whatever. Definitely make sure you check out that. I'll leave a link below in the description where you can find this bag as well as the armrest from Primo Workz. And other than that, I'll catch you guys on the flip side.